Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Ever dreamed of turning your dry, barren desert land into a lush garden oasis? Well, it's absolutely possible, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, soil quality. Desert soil needs a little love. Mix in organic matter like compost or manure to boost water retention and fertility. Trust me, your plants will thank you. Now, let's talk plants. Go for desert-friendly options like succulents, cacti, and drought-tolerant natives. These beauties require less water and maintenance, making them perfect for your oasis. Watering is crucial, but you gotta be smart about it. Install a drip irrigation system. This ensures efficient watering with minimal waste. Water deeply and less often to encourage strong roots. Shade is a desert garden's best friend. Create shaded spots using pergolas, shade sails, or trees. This not only protects your plants, but also gives you cool places to relax. Pathways, seating areas, and decorative elements like fountains or sculptures can make your garden truly special. These touches add personality and beauty to your space. When it comes to plant choices, think succulents like aloe vera and agave, iconic cacti like prickly pear, and desert trees like mesquite and palo verde. Don't forget drought-tolerant shrubs and vibrant wildflowers to add color and attract pollinators. Grouping plants with similar needs together helps create microclimates within your garden. And don't forget to mulch. It retains moisture and keeps weeds at bay. Fancy a pond? Yes, even in the desert. Plan well, choose the right liner, and pick drought-tolerant aquatic plants. A pond can add tranquility and attract wildlife. Remember, patience is key. With careful planning and consistent care, your desert landscape will transform into a lush garden oasis. So get out there and start digging. Happy gardening!